This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Can someone share me your screen? Okay. Yes, I'll give you another one. Can someone type me in the chat window? Can someone type in the chat window, please? Or do one thing.
Yeah.
Write down developer.salesforce.com.
Okay.
SalesforceDeveloper.com.
Developer.salesforce.com.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got, what did you got? You got get your very own developer edition. Full featured
Yes.
copy of
It's
Lightning platform for free.
yeah, it's showing. Yeah, it's showing login
Write
and
down
sign
the first name, last name, email address.
up. Okay, log. Okay.
Okay, your job role. Job role, you can just give some developer. Company, just say give ABC. Okay, select your country. Postal code and your username. Nothing but your email ID. And when you are creating the password,
Yeah.
don't give a i5 password. Give normal, like normal, which is able to recognize. Don't give your original passwords.
Okay. Job role.
Select developer.
Okay. And company.
Company gives some ABC, or give any company name.
Okay.
Please share your screen. Can someone share your screen? Navya, Kavya, can you give the control to Monica or Pavani?
Monica, share your screen.
Yeah, just please check your email to confirm your account. to your email and there will be a verification email. Click on that
Yeah,
verify.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, you will get one. You need to enter some password. Give some password. uh, Normal password. Okay, don't go high-fi. Give the username and password.
Yeah, I've done. I have created an account, so I have come to the new page, home page. Hello.
Yeah. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing your screen. One second. No, that is not your username. You will have a username in the email box. No, go to your mail. That will be your username. Go to your email. There is a mail, right? Verify mail. What mail ID you have given?
Whom you're asking?
Email ID is email ID. Can you go to your? Can you show the mail what you received?
Yeah.
Click on that.
It's me.
Click on that. Yeah, come down. No. Just go show your email. Come down. Come down. Yeah. So Mauni at abc.com at the rate abc.com. That is your username. Copy that. What is the password that you have given? No, you did something wrong.
I have
Click-
I have shared
Sure.
my screen.
Ah, just did you verify the link?
Yeah, I did.
Because you need to give the password. Okay, return to login page. And then go back to your email. Refresh. Okay, go to your email once. Click on that support at salesforce.com. There is an issue with your Salesforce developer edition account. But just click on that the other mail, sales, support at salesforce.com. Because the email address you entered is already in use. To sign up with a different, see that. I think that's a problem, I think. Okay, just go back.
Just a moment, I'll check it out.
Yeah. Monica, how about you? Not Monica, sorry, Pavni. Are you able to create your